Yeah, those are on that cabana over there, but those are gonna go in front of this here.
Welcome to the Nice Apartments, Whitestown, Indiana, one of our newest acquisitions. I am here for one of my favorite days of the year, which is BAM On-Site Day. This is where we take everybody from corporate, including all our investor relations guys, people sitting behind a desk doing great work, but we bring them out here, we put them to work, physical labor, seeing how the office works, getting a taste of how this whole engine is running. What matters most when you're stewarding capital for our 1,300 plus investors now is the management of the property. Multifamily is not easy. It is one of the most intense asset classes to manage on the planet. So we like to get these guys out here, put them to work, show them where the rubber meets the road. Again, one of my favorite days of the year.